Welcome to Chapter. In this lesson, we'll discuss confusion between present and past participles, a common source of error that leads to unclear or incorrect sentences. Let's explore how to use participles correctly. Participles are verb forms used as adjectives. The present participle ends in ing and shows an active or ongoing quality. The past participle usually ends in ed and indicates a completed action or a passive state. Misusing these can make your sentence confusing or even humorous. Here's a common mistake: confusing exciting and excited. If you feel something, use excited. If something causes that feeling, use exciting. So, you are excited about an exciting event. When someone feels uninterested, they are bored. When something causes that feeling, it is boring. So, a bored student listens to a boring lecture. Confusing describes something that makes you puzzled. Confused is how you feel as a result. The test may be confusing, but you feel confused. The hike was tiring, and she felt tired. It's simple. The ing form describes the thing that causes the feeling, and the ed form describes the person experiencing it. Here are some commonly confused participle pairs. Always ask, is this describing the cause or the feeling? For example, you're amazed by something amazing. Keeping this simple logic helps avoid errors. Let's summarize. Participles can be tricky, but this one rule helps. If it's about a person's emotion or reaction, use the ed. If it's the thing that causes the reaction, using. Practicing these patterns will strengthen your English. Thank you for learning. Next, topic: omission of prepositions. Like, share, and subscribe. Prepared by K. Rajendra Prasad.